Welcome to this video, where I will guide you through changing the language settings in the CCleaner app on your phone. If you want to use CCleaner in your preferred language, this tutorial will help you easily switch to the language you want in just a few simple actions. First, open the CCleaner app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the three-line menu icon at the top right and tap on it. Next, scroll down the menu until you find the Settings option and select it. Then, within the Settings menu, find and select the Language option. This will bring up a list of all the available languages that CCleaner supports. Scroll through the list and choose the language you prefer by tapping on it. After selecting your language, the app will automatically restart. When it reopens, you will see the interface updated to the language you chose. Finally, take a moment to navigate the app to confirm that the language has been applied correctly. If you want to change it again, just repeat the same process. Changing the language can help you use the app more comfortably and improve your overall experience. Thank you for watching.